Hey guys, welcome to our Tech Program Mind. My name is Mohit Vashne, and in today's video, I have come with one more hiring update that is coming from IBM company. So IBM company again started hiring for ASE role. It's a new hiring, and it's for fresher candidate only. I will explain you each and everything, like what is the selection procedure, what is the eligibility criteria required, and what is the salary. So make sure you watch the video till the end and check out the other hiring also, because multiple companies hiring is still ongoing, like Capgemini, Morningstar, Teleperformance. So do check out. Now talking about the IBM company hiring. So as I mentioned, company is hiring for ASE role, that is stand for Associated System Engineer role, and company is hiring for Pan India location. Now talking about the qualification first. So company has mentioned if you are from engineering background, like you have done BE, BTech or ME, MTech from any branch like CS, IT, electrical, chemical, civil, mechanical, then also you are eligible for this hiring. Now talking about the passing batch. So company has not mentioned any specific criteria or the passing batch. So if you are from 21 batch, 22 batch, 23 batch and 24 batch, I will suggest you please try to apply, and if you get selected for this role, then maybe you get a chance for exam, and exam will be online. And if you clear the online exam, then there will be technical round and followed by the HR round, and after that you will get an offer letter for ASE role. And company has mentioned some required skills, like you must have knowledge about one programming language. It may be C++, Java, Python, Node.js, because your exam will contain some coding question, and for that you need to know one programming language. It may be C++, Java, Python. So this is a required qualification. I hope you understood. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply purpose, you have to just click on apply now button, and I have already attached a link in video description. Just click on the link and click on apply now, and once you click on the apply now, then this type of page will appear, and here just slide down, just click on no thanks and continue to apply, and after that this type of page will appear, and again slide down and just click on apply to job option, and after that you have to log in on IBM portal if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, then there will be option for don't have an account. Just click on that and you can create your account. And if you already have an account, then please put your email address and password and sign in and fill all the required details. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then please ask your query in comment section or Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely help you. So this is all about this job. Now talking about previous year question. So if you are looking for previous year question for practice purpose, then you have to go on techprogrammind.com. Just go on techprogrammind.com, and here you will find one previous question section. Just click on that, and in this section you will get multiple companies previous year question like TCS, Infosys, Deloitte, Zoho, Tech Mahindra. But if you are looking for especially IBM question, then here you will find IBM English question. Then again slide down and go to the next page. You will get coding question also. So these are the coding question which were asked in last exam. So you can take a reference from this question and you can prepare for your exam. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.